Hi guys, Tim from Sam Machinery here. Today we're going to look at how to use your rate chart on the back of your spreader for a standard ground drive machine. It's really simple to use your rate chart. First of all, you want to decide what product you're going to be spreading and at what centres and what rate you want to spread it at. So today we're going to be spreading urea at 15 metre centres, and we want to get a rate of 91 kilograms per hectare. So we come down the column, find the rate we're after, wind the handle, and then align the pointer with the door height corresponding to the rate that you want to spread your urea at. So if you're wanting to spread a different type of fertiliser that isn't shown on your standard back door chart, you can refer to your user manual, which would have come with your machine, or you can find online at sammachinery.co.nz, and that will give you a more comprehensive list of different types of fertilisers and different spreading widths that you can use, and the corresponding door height setting that you should be using to achieve that rate. If you don't know the product density, we have a kit that you can purchase through our parts department that will give you the product density. But if you're unsure at any time, feel free to give us a call and we'll be able to help you through it.